Hi, this is Fiorella from Anyhouse Cleaning, and we are doing a move in, move out. The person that hired us is the person who was living in this house. We are in Champions Gate Golf Club, and we are cleaning the ceiling fans with our yellow cloth. Let's see if you can check this. It's really dirty. It's not dirty. Okay. Good. So this is a beautiful, beautiful house in Champions Gate Golf Club. Big house. And we have to do all the cleaning, ceiling fans, all the windows inside, everything that is inside. Baseboards, refrigerator, oven, cabinets, pretty much everything. And you can call us at 407-572-4118. I'm gonna start putting some photos and videos of everything that we are gonna cover today.